So I just made it into Togo now. I don't know how to find my way around town yet, but I hope to figure that out very soon. By the way, I was dropped beside this beautiful beach. I don't know if you can see that at the back. It's a really long beach, and this is where I was just dropped now. By the way, I'm in Lome, so welcome to Togo. So I'm currently in the biggest market in Lome. It's called Asigame, and it's very reminiscent of Balogun Market in Lagos. It's not as big as Dantopa, of course not, but it's a very big market too, and it has everything anyone could be looking for, from food stuff to clothing to jewelry, so many things, man. It's a very big market, and it's not as busy as Balogun is anyway. So I don't know why. Maybe it's because I really don't know. 10,000 cefas. This is all I must spend in Togo, or else I'm gonna go broke. So I guess my first day here will just be about hotel hunting. And it's not that there are no good hotels here, it's just that matching budget and convenience together can be a really difficult thing. And it's no different here. I know I'm not going to sleep under the bridge today, so we'll see how today runs. So I just found this couple of guys I spoke to, and one of them's friend manages an hotel. So he's trying to speak to him for me now to see if he can give me a room for a very cheap price. So it's still on the phone with him. I hope that works out.
Guess what's here?
We have a deal! Okay, so this is the hotel I've just been brought to. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm in the hotel now, and this is my room. This is the bathroom. So this is the room I get for 5,000 cefas a night, which is about 3,000 naira. So it's not expensive at all. It's smaller than my room in Benin Republic, but it's much better all round. So I can't complain. The first time in Togo, yes. So I want to eat local Togo food.
There's no food I come to video. When one of local food I have told you, you don't like it.
Which one?
Akume.
I don't know what akume is.
I want
okay, so after akume, which other one? Local food.
Rice.
Rice. Okay.
After rice, voila. You know what? When you know yams.
Yeah.
Yams. When you kill yam, and you eat water yam.
Okay.
You eat with time. If you eat it, you know it.
Oh, pounded yam.
Pounded yam.
Voilà. Okay, let's go there. So this one, what did you call the name for this one?
Amakume.
Let me taste it.
Amakume. It's not amakume. It's like
it's like dokunu, but it's not.
Voila.
It's almost like dokunu.
Dokume, voila. There are many kinds of akume. Yeah, there's amakume, dekume, jokume.
Oh. So this one is amakume.
Amakume.
And it tastes like dokunu.
Dokume.
Yeah. And then this is meat pepper soup.
Meat pepper soup.
With
leaves.
With leaves. Oh, there's okra inside.
Because they are ademe. We call it ademe.
Ademe.
Like leaves, there are leaves, local leaves we do, they call ademe.
Oh, okay.
Ademe.
Okay, so they poured this in the pepper soup.
Pepper soup.
Okay. So everything here is 400 sefa.
400.
400 sefa.
100, 200, 400.
Yeah. 400 sefa. That will be.
What you have given me here? 4 times it's okay.
Yes. So that's in naira.
In naira,
In Nigeria, that is like 250 naira.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's like 250 naira.
That's no problem.
Yeah.
Enjoy your meal.
It is nice. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Nice meeting you.
That Mr. Ahmed.
Bye. Yeah, so that was a great meal. I enjoyed it, and so I'll get to editing this video right now because I'm editing it. And if I have more time, probably walk around town, and then we'll see how tomorrow goes. But I'll try my best to ensure that tomorrow is more eventful than the 3rd of July today. So until then, see you on the next one. By the way, I wanted to know what you thought about yesterday's video. I love your comments. Come on, please. Yeah, please. And if you like it, please share, like, subscribe, all of those things. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.